What's going on, YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. Hope you guys' week is going well so far. So for those of you that have been watching my car flipping videos, I know I haven't posted too much lately, and honestly it hasn't been too much for me to show you guys, mainly because I've been going to the auctions here and there when I can, but with it being tax season, prices have been extremely high. As you guys know, tax season comes, people get their tax returns, and a lot of people choose to buy cars with their tax returns. So dealers, they just stock up their inventory this time of year, which causes prices, to go up. So based on what the prices have been lately, I just haven't felt comfortable buying anything. I hate to overspend on a vehicle and then just ending up sitting on it longer than I want to, unable to sell it. So that's the main reason I haven't bought anything lately. So because of that, like I said, it hasn't been much for me to show you guys. But this week I actually bought two vehicles, one of which I'm driving right now. You can't tell what it is, but I'll show you guys that shortly. But yeah, I bought two vehicles, did my inspections on them. They were solid, I really liked them. And I knew that I was gonna have to pay a little more, if I was gonna do anything, if I was actually gonna win anything. So I set my bids a little bit higher than what I would normally set them at, because it's been a while since I've had anything, for sale. So I made the decision, I'm gonna have to pay a little bit more just because of the time of year and everything. And then we'll go from there, So that's really been, what's been going on with me and the car business. So as soon as I come to a stop here, I'll show you guys the cars that I got and go over prices and everything with you. Yeah, show you the whole nine. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First car here is a Toyota Avalon. Let me see if I can flip this camera around. All right, 2006 Toyota Avalon, black in color, as you can see. And yeah, this thing is nice, man. I really like this. This is one of those ones that I bought that I knew I wouldn't mind driving it around until it sells. So it's in really good condition. Whoever had it took good care of it for sure. So it's got pretty decent tires on it, decent tread left on the tires, so don't have to do anything there. The body is in good shape. Hopefully you guys can see this. No, the lighting isn't the best, but it's a limited edition. It's got leather, navigation, heated seats, cooled seats. Yeah, so on this side, it's kind of dirty, so I need to clean it too. But on this side, it's got a couple little door things. I don't know if you guys can see. There's one like right there and one right there. So pretty clean on the inside. There's no holes or rips in the seats or anything. Nice little gray leather color scheme with the wood grain. Back seat, everything's in pretty good shape. And I know this lighting sucks, but yeah, that's this one. It's got the sunroof. Everything works. Heat blows warm, air blows cool. Like I said, it's got the heated and cooled seats. Not every day that you see cars that have both of those, especially for 2006. That's pretty cool. So this one, like I said, I like it a lot, man. It drives amazing, very smooth. I wish I could take you guys for a drive in it personally, you know what I mean? But yeah, this thing's legit. Figured I'd show you guys under the hood really quick, just so you guys can see what it looks like under here. Looks like it's been clean recently. That's less work that I'll have to do. So that's a plus. before I show you guys the other car, I didn't tell you guys what I paid for this one. So like I said, it's a 2006. This has 185,000 miles on it. So it's a little bit higher mileage than what I typically go for. But you know, I had to kind of broaden my scope of things that I was looking for to in order to compete and really get anything. So I paid $4,700 for this, which, like I said, I think that's a little more than I would like to spend. But I knew, like I said, I knew that I wouldn't mind driving this around until it sells. You know, I'm not in a rush. And plus, you know, everybody loves Toyotas. You know, they're known for being reliable and lasting a long time. So this car definitely has a lot of life left. And, you know, I think off that alone, I can still make some money on it. You know, I may not break the bank, but I can still make some money on it, based on the you know, the values that I looked up for the car and everything. There's still some margin there for me to make some money. So so yeah, $4,700 on this one. Yeah, I mean, it's in really good shape, man. No check engine lights, no ABS lights, airbag lights, none of that. Clean title. The auction already had the title for me when I went and picked it up, which is not all the time. A lot of times you have to wait for like weeks at a time to get the title, and you can't sell the car until you get the title. So I mean, I could post this car today, and if somebody wants to buy it, I got everything I need to sell it. So that's awesome. But until then, I'm gonna drive this around, you know. So the next car you guys probably already saw when I was showing you the Avalon. This is a 2008 Pontiac G6, white in color. Nice, you know, little wheels on it with the matching door handles and everything. Gives it a nice touch. But yeah, this one's in good shape too, man. Really nice. 2008, like I said. So I'll just do a little walk around so you guys can see. And this is just another one that was in really good shape, man. So you guys can see 2008. This one's got 164,000 miles. Again, a little bit higher than what I normally go for, but hey, I made sure it was a solid vehicle nonetheless. You can see the body's in really good shape. Really good shape. It's got a little scuffs over here on this back bumper, but other than that, not a whole lot, you know, wrong with the body at all. Really good shape. This same thing on these tires. I don't know if you guys can see, but the tires are in good shape all around. So yeah, whoever ends up buying this shouldn't need tires anytime soon. The interior is really clean. I'm surprised at how clean it is. It doesn't smell like anything. A lot of times you get in these cars at the auction, they smell like a zoo, man. It's like, what happened in here? So yeah, man, you can see how clean this thing is. Like, no stains, like, whatsoever, man. I don't have to clean or detail this thing at all, which I'm super happy about. So you guys can see, man, this thing is in good shape. Very good shape. So same thing with this. No check engine lights, no nothing. I plugged my scanner up onto it. Everything was good and clear. Air works, heat works, all the windows work. Everything works just like it should. It's got traction control. Hopefully you guys can hear me. A plane is flying over my house right now, so disrupting my video. But anyway, let me pop the hood, show you guys that. Come on. So yeah, you can see the engine has been cleaned already. Less work for me to do. This is a 4-cylinder, so you know, economy, save on gas a little bit. Nice little commuter car for somebody. Yeah, good shape, man. This one drives really smooth too, man. No complaints on this at all. All right, so for this one, Like I said, 2008, 164,000 miles. I paid $3 grand for it. I feel like normally this is like probably like a $2,600 car at the auction, $2,600 car. I paid $3 grand for it, but as you guys saw, I mean, the condition of it is excellent. So I feel like that's definitely worth something, you know what I mean? So, you know, based on the condition of it, I think there's some room for me to still make some money on this one. So yeah, that's really it, man. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated once I do sell these cars. I'm still waiting on the title for this one, so I have to wait till I get that before I can post it for sale or anything. But other than that, man, that's it. So appreciate you guys watching the videos. Continue to comment, man. Let me know any questions you guys have about the process. Any of you guys out there that do the same thing, that are flipping cars, man, you know, let me know your experience. Let me know what the prices are like at the auctions where you guys are. You know, are they high? You guys seeing cars for normal prices? Are they cheap? Are you guys making money? Like, what's going on, man? Let me know how things are at. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm in Missouri, Kansas City to be exact. So I'm just speaking on my experience here locally where I'm at, but I love to hear about other people in other cities. So until next time, see you on the making.